Hello beautiful people, and thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Carolina Rango, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to achieve this voluminous curl look. You can kind of just keep judging it up, but it's inspired by my favorite blogger. Her name is Negin. I went ahead and tried to attempt to do kind of these curls. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, just keep watching. My hair right now is a day old. I do love to style my hair when it is, I don't want to say dirty, but it has more of those natural oils throughout the hair that will hold the styling better without having to use so much hairspray and stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to do my hair now, and hopefully this helps you. And let's get started. Whoops. I do like to part my hair essentially in half first. So, I mean, this is never organized. I'm doing it as raw as I can. I don't want to really stage much of it because this is just how I do it, and I want to show you exactly how I do it. And then I can just twirl and create a little pony. Just let that stay over there. I love how some people can pull off this hairstyle. And before I start, my hot tools: ceramic 1-inch curling iron, 1.5 barrel inch wand. Okay, so since, like I showed you earlier, since my roots are very curly, I always start off ironing the root, but like I go down about 1 to 2 inches, and then I want the curl to be as like long as possible, and then I go around the barrel. So let me go ahead and show you. So you're gonna go ahead and grab here, kind of just go at the root, and like 1, 2, not that down, and then stop. Let it cool off a little bit, and then kind of just hold on to it. Your hands get used to the heat. I mean, I hope so, because mine did. But it's gonna take some time, and then I go ahead and just do the barrel and go as close as I can without burning myself, and wrap around tightly. And then, 10 seconds. Kind of holding it up there, but it's always best to do this in small pieces. You kind of want to let it cool in your hand almost, because when it's really hot and you drop it, it won't hold its shape as long as if you let it cool in your hand. A lot of hairstylists grab clips and almost hold it so that it cools down and they just continue going. I'm just going to go ahead and let it go. Look how cute and bouncy. And then you kind of just repeat the process. Usually what I do to quicken things up is that I throw the hair that I haven't done in the back so that it doesn't mix with the hair I've done in the front. And that way you guys can kind of see the progress. So we're going to just go ahead and do it again. And then we're going to grab the barrel. And just go ahead. I always kind of forget to count, but I like hope that my brain kind of works in a way that, wait, I need it to cool in my hand. You see it's already drooping. So this is after, and then here's before. So I like to leave the curls super bouncy. Some people might get annoyed and they might not like this. They might like looser curl, but I'll show you guys at the end kind of how to separate them. And alright, we're going to keep the curls away from the face. I feel like J-Lo. Okay, we'll continue in a minute. So I throw everything back, and then I do my center part, and then I break it down, and this side just stays up. Swirling and swirling and swirling, and then pony. Same exact concept. The front is always the most important because that's that frames your face. So you want those curls as tight as possible because they will last the longest. You want to divide your hair into the smallest pieces so far because that way it'll look even curlier and more voluminous towards the front. You see? Extra. Something's coming. I don't know how long it stopped filming for. Okay, so this one I'm just gonna try to make it all super close, extra curly. Oh. Here is our product. Final product. Okay, so now that you have these curls, you kind of want to like tease them up and just pull them apart. Maybe zhuzh them up. Create that volume. And this is the final product. If you try this out and you want to tag me, send me photos via Instagram, Carolina Rango. Find everything down below. Thank you so much for watching this. It means the honest world to me. I hope I wasn't so embarrassing and I wasn't weird, but you know, I'm so glad that you finished watching. So thank you. Have the most amazing day and